Hi guys, we're looking at a couple of leeks here that are a bit old. One of our friends isn't very well and we've had to clear out their house of anything that's likely to go off or go rotten when it's left in an empty house for a while. And these were in the vegetable tray. They are dry. Well, actually they're not dry because I've just put them in water to see if they float, and they do float. So I'm going to make a rubber band powered leek. I'm going to use what I used before. I'm not trying to be clever here. We'll just tape my rubber band assembly with the Tinplate propeller. Tape it on the bottom and give it a little run round the paddling pool so that I can say that I've got a rubber band powered leek. Well, it works. If you want to see the build video for the rubber band power assembly, the propeller assembly, then you'll have to have a look in the video description. There'll be a link to the video that I built it for. Works very well. I'm quite pleased with it.